Last night I stood at your doorstep, trying to figure out what went wrong. You just slipped something into my palm there, and you were gone. I could smell the same deep green of summer. Above me the same night sky was glowing. In the distance I could see the town where I was born. It's gonna be a long walk home. Yeah, pretty darling, don't wait up for me. Gonna be a long walk home. A long walk home. In town I pass Sal's grocery, barber shop on South Street. I looked into their faces, they're all rank strangers to me. The Veterans Hall high up on the hill stood silent in alone. The diner was shuttered and boarded with a sign that just said gone. It's gonna be a long walk home. Hey, pretty darling, don't wait up for me. Gonna be a long walk home. Hey, pretty darling, don't wait up for me. Gonna be a long walk home. It's gonna be a long walk home. Its arms around you. Nobody crowds you, nobody goes it alone. You know the flag flying over the courthouse means certain things are set in stone. Who we are, what we'll do, and what we want. It's gonna be a long walk home. Yeah. Can't see nothing in front of me. Can't see nothing coming up behind. Make my way through this darkness. I can't feel nothing but this chain that binds me. Lost track of how far I've gone. How far I've gone, how high I've climbed. On my back's a 60-pound stone. On my shoulder, half mile of line. Come on up for the rising. Come on up, lay your hands in mine. Come on up for the rising. garden, in the garden of a